G'day guys, my name's Nick and welcome to my channel Low Range Nick, where I do videos about four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance for your four-wheel drive vehicle. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to fit a genuine Suzuki bonnet protector to your Suzuki Jimny. The genuine Suzuki bonnet protector kit includes the tinted bonnet protector, a complete installation kit including all of the parts that we're going to need to carry out the install. It also comes with a full instruction manual here on how to install the bonnet protector to your vehicle. To carry out the installation, you will require a clean cloth, some soapy water, a non-permanent marker or pencil, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So now that I've gone through all of the parts and the tools necessary to carry out the bonnet protector installation, let's get stuck into the install. Firstly, we're just going to open the bonnet using the bonnet release. Now that I've popped the bonnet, I can use a damp microfiber towel to clean up the front edge of the bonnet. So I need to clean the edge up where the bonnet protector is going to sit, and also underneath the lip of the bonnet where the mounting hardware sits as well. Now we can pop the bonnet and clean the underside as well. So now it's time to trial fit my bonnet protector to the bonnet. Then I can use my marker pen to mark where my mounting hardware is going to sit using these holes as the guide. So I'm just going to trial fit this to the edge of the bonnet. I'm just going to line up the holes in the bonnet protector with the holes underneath the bonnet. So get that perfectly lined up so it's central. So before we apply our 3M protective strip to the edge of the bonnet, we just need to use the alcohol wipe supplied in the kit to clean the top side and the underside of the bonnet where the strip is going to sit. So now it's time to apply the abrasion resistant tape to the top side and underside of the bonnet. Now that I've fitted my abrasion resistant tape to the bonnet in the 4 particular spots, now I need to assemble my mounting hardware. All we need to do is clip our little plastic nut inserts into the metal mounting hardware. Once it's mounted into the hardware, we'll carry on and do the same for the other 3 mounts. So now that my mounting hardware is assembled and ready to go, we can proceed to fit these to the bonnet in the desired locations. We just want to fit it directly over our protective adhesive strip and push it all the way on. Perfect. And now I can just fit my other outer mount to the bonnet as well. So I'm just going to centralize that on my adhesive strip and then just wiggle that on, push it over the lip of the bonnet until it pops on. There we go, perfect. For the central 2 mounts, we need the screw plug to be fitted to the hole on the underside of the mount and into the hole on the underside of the bonnet. So now we can proceed to fit this over the bonnet in our location where we fitted our adhesive tape. Then we can proceed to mount this screw plug to the bottom of the bonnet as well, and that can just sit directly in the middle of that mount. So let's just fit our other central mount and then we can put the screws in afterwards. We'll line that up, we'll get our hole underneath lined up, and we'll pop that all in together, and that's sitting in there nicely. And now we're ready to fit our screws to the bottom of the mounts. So I'm just going to use my Phillips head screwdriver now and the self-tapping screw supplied in the kit, hold my mount and then tighten up this securing bolt underneath. Now I'm ready to fit the bonnet protector to the mounts. So I can fit that to these bonnet protector mounts and just line up my holes and make sure that I've lined it all up correctly. If you've done this correctly, everything should line up perfectly first go. So everything's looking really good. So what I can do now is get my screws with the small washers and fit those through the bonnet protector holes and onto my mounts. And now it's time to go along with my Phillips head screwdriver and gently tighten down these screws on the bonnet protector. Now be very careful not to over tighten these as they are going into plastic. So now that I've tightened down my bonnet protector bolts and it's mounted in the correct position, I have 4 little adhesive strips to put underneath the bumpers on the back of the bonnet protector. This will protect the bonnet from the bumpers hitting it like this in windy conditions. Using the alcohol wipe supplied in the kit, I'll need to clean underneath each bumper and apply my adhesive strip. For this procedure, I'm going to use a plastic ruler to help align the adhesive strip underneath the bump on. The final step is to use a damp microfiber cloth to clean off our bonnet protector and get rid of any of those finger marks. So there you go guys, now that I've fitted the bonnet protector to the front lip of the bonnet, now it's going to be protected from stone chips and also bugs. It's also going to help divert some of those stones and bugs over the roof and really going to give some added protection to the front edge of that bonnet that it really needs. So thanks a lot for watching guys. If you did enjoy today's video, if you learnt a couple of things, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more four-wheel driving, accessory fitting and maintenance videos. Cheers guys.